Hi guys, welcome to Oliveboard. We have come up with a new series called Word of the Day. So today is day 10 of the series. I'm sure you have watched the previous videos. It's a new day and I have come up with a new word for you. So in this series, I give you a new word every day, its meaning and its usage in different sentences. Apart from that, we also have a quick glance at the synonyms and antonyms of the given word. This series will be beneficial for you since it will help you strengthen your vocabulary, and it will also help you if these same words come up in the exams that you are preparing for. So, let us have a look at today's word. Today's word is extraneous. The meaning of the word extraneous is not directly connected with or related to the issue. So, the word means not directly connected with or related to the issue or something. Now let us understand this better with the help of sentences. The first sentence says, "We must not be distracted by extraneous issues," she said. So, we must not be distracted by issues that are not connected to the topic in question. The second sentence says, "These questions are extraneous to the issue being discussed." So, these questions are not directly connected with or related to the issue that is being discussed. Now, let us discuss the synonyms of the given word extraneous. So, the synonyms can be irrelevant, inopposite, and unrelated. Now, let us discuss the opposites or antonyms of this given word. The opposites can be material, pertinent, relevant, and germane. Now, we'll use the language Hindi in order to understand this word better. So, अब हम हिंदी का यूज़ करते हुए इस वर्ड का मीनिंग बेटर अंडरस्टैंड करेंगे और जो सेंटेंसेस हमें दिए गए हैं हम उसे हिंदी में ट्रांसलेट करके इस सेंटेंस को, इस वर्ड को बेटर अंडरस्टैंड करने की कोशिश करेंगे. सो हमारा पहला सेंटेंस कहता है, "वी मस्ट नॉट बी डिस्ट्रैक्टेड बाय एक्सट्रेनियस इश्यूज शी सेड." सो हमें एक्सट्रेनियस इश्यूज, जो इश्यूज असंबंधित हैं, उससे डिस्ट्रैक्ट नहीं होना चाहिए. और सेकेंड सेंटेंस कहता है, "दीज क्वेश्चंस आर एक्सट्रेनियस टू द इशू बीइंग डिस्कस्ड." सो यह सवाल या यह क्वेश्चन उस विषय से असंबंधित है या यह सवाल व्यर्थ है. राइट. सो एक्सट्रेनियस का मतलब है कि वो सवाल व्यर्थ है या उस इशू के साथ संबंध नहीं रखता है. सो वो इशू या वो क्वेश्चन इररेलेवेंट है, इन अपोजिट है या अनरिलेटेड है. सो इररेलेवेंट का ऑपोजिट हो जाएगा पर्टिनेंट, रेलेवेंट या जर्मेन. राइट. So I hope you liked the session guys. Please like the video, share it with your friends, and for another word please tune in tomorrow to Oliveboard. Thank you.